We also want to hear from our viewers. How are you celebrating this big moment? How happy were you? Which was the key moment from the match? We want to hear it all from you, viewers. The numbers are flashing at the bottom of your screens. Call us, join us live on the show. We have Jaya joining us from Mumbai. Thank you for joining us. Jaya ji, a very good morning in the entire country as we celebrate.
Yes, the entire country, the world, all the well-wishers of the Indians are in a state of euphoria, needless to say that. And I'm very happy that it is, I think to your question as to whether it's a perfect time for the two legends. Yes, it is a perfect time for them to bid goodbye. The younger players should come, and which is the best catch. I think I would say that every catch, every wicket was precious to the team. You cannot say that it's just this particular catch that, of course, Surya Kumar's catch was remarkable and magnificent. And that was very, very good. It was timely, no doubt. And I would like to say that this is not an end to now. You know, after saying it's my wishes to the team is hearty congratulations. But now it is not ruk jana nahi. Do not stop now. We want laurels in all the formats. You see, after 2011, we came to semi-finals, finals, and lost in different formats. It's now ruk jana nahi and dil mange more. We have become greedier for more and more laurels.
Absolutely. Dil mange more. That's what the entire country is saying. Thank you so much for joining us. We have KK Mehta also joining us from Mumbai. Thank you for joining us. Mehta ji, is that your message for the Men in Blue as well? Jeete rahiye.
Yes, what I am telling, it is not only the moment of joy, but we are proud for every Indian here. And Team India has learned that आखिर तक हार नहीं माननी है, and they have proved it. They have defeated everything, any ideology. They have taken the revenge from this our Ahmedabad. This one-day match we got defeat from Australia. So joy, joy, joy. Congratulations to Indians, congratulations to Indian team, Rohit Sharma and all. And the turning point was the catch taken by Suryakanth. Well, fantastic, fantastic conversation. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for joining us. Viewers, call us and tell us what you think. Before that, I also want to talk about how it's been a very, very special moment for Rahul Dravid as well. It's been his swan song as head coach. He also reflected on what is his first World Cup win, either on the field or in the dugout. Listen in to his message.
Rahul, so firstly, congratulations on the win on the trophy. Rohit spoke about how the team was wanting to do this for a long time for you. I mean, tell us a little about it. The raw emotions must be there within the team today.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not usually short of words, but I really have felt really short of words over the last few hours. I just could not be more prouder for this team. The way we've had to fight in difficult situations, and even today I think was a great testament to the fight in the team to lose 3 wickets in the first 6, to be in the kind of position we were in with 30 balls to go, but we never kept, the boys just kept fighting, they kept believing, and I think it's just a great credit to them, and as a part of the coaching staff and as a member of the coaching staff, I just feel that I feel really grateful because we're getting to enjoy these moments because of what they have done in a pressure situation. So yeah, it was just phenomenal. It's just lovely to be a part of a dressing room like this, and I think it's a memory of a lifetime for me. So I'm really thankful and grateful to the team and everyone in the support staff who's made this possible.
Rahul, Rohit बोल रहे थे कि आपको ये यंग जनरेशन के साथ एडजस्ट करने में टाइम लगा, लेकिन आपने वो किया। वो डिफरेंस क्या होता है? आपने जब क्रिकेट खेली तो डिफरेंस क्या था? अभी के खिलाड़ियों में डिफरेंस क्या है जो आपको समझना पड़ा?
अलग चीज़ें होती है, अभी आप हर चीज़ पे बात नहीं कर सकते, बट ज़रूर मैं ये कहूँगा कि ये जो आजकल के जो लड़के हैं वो दे फैंटास्टिक टैलेंट है इंडियन क्रिकेट में अभी, एंड जो इन लोगों की एनर्जी है, इन लोगों की कॉन्फिडेंस है, वो एक अलग लेवल की है एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम। और मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है और मैं चाहता भी ये भी हूँ कि ये एक शुरुआत थी, बहुत दिनों से हम ये खोज रहे थे एक आईसीसी ट्रॉफी, और इस कॉन्फिडेंस को आगे लेके जाके मेरे पूरी उम्मीद है कि आगे जाके इंडियन क्रिकेट बहुत सारी ट्रॉफी जीतेगी अपनी 4।
Captain Jaspal is joining us from Rohtak. Thank you for joining us, Captain. What's your message for the Men in Blue?
Good morning. My message is well done, Bravos. Excellent job done. This is what the game of glorious uncertainty is. Nobody can pinpoint who is the winner. Which single deed or over is a winner. It was a team effort, and the credit goes to the battle-hardened IPL players. IPL has done a lot of good to the team. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. So IPL has done a lot of good, and credit not just to one or two players, but for the entire team. Deepak is also joining us from Mumbai. Would you say the same, Deepak, that the entire team is to be credited for the big victory?
Yes, absolutely. The entire team, every player of the team needs to be applauded for this great super win, and after a wait of almost 17 years. And yes, in cricket it is said the game is not over till the last ball is bowled. And in fact, the team came back in the last 5 overs. That was a super achievement. The bowlers, the players, and of course the catching by each and every player, fielding, and of course not to miss out on Surya Kumar, who took a brilliant catch, which in fact it was the last nail in the coffin, and that's where India won the match.
Yes, that was one defining moment, because until then, a lot of fans across the world were sitting very nervously. It could have gone either way. And after that, the game changed completely. We have Govind Ramaurgal also joining us from Coimbatore. A very good morning to you. What do you have to say?
I don't have any words to say. We won a very good match.
Okay, we're spellbound by the kind of spell that we saw from Bumrah as well as Sky, and that is understandable. Emotions running high. Thank you so much for joining us. In fact, Times Now also spoke to the overjoyed BCCI president, Roger Binney, who was understandably over the moon. He spoke to my colleague Karishma. Here's what he said.
Joining us is a very, very happy BCCI president, Mr. Roger Binney. Sir, like I said, a big moment today, a historic moment today. How would you describe your emotions at this time?
Well, I'm really happy and pleased to see the way the team performed. Because even in this game, the match suddenly was taken away from us. At a certain stage, we didn't look any good of anything. So the fact that all these are the players, it showed the qualities in the team, the way they bowled and the way they fielded. And at any time, they never gave up. You see, that's the main thing. And also in the game against Pakistan, when we were actually out of the contest like this, and then we came back. It reminds me a lot of even the 83 World Cup when we played. We were a lot of times we were out of the game, but didn't like any.
We have Mr. Prakash joining us from Navi Mumbai. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Prakash. Who do you think stole the show, and do you think this is the perfect goodbye to legends like Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli?
Yes, definitely it is a legend who have really done a good job, especially a long due for Virat Kohli, who has really come up very nicely in the final. And Rohit Sharma also said if we win the tournament, the cup will be dedicated to Virat Kohli. So really has made India proud. So it was a very good exit or a retirement from this format for both the legends.
Okay,
and
all right.
Catches win matches. Okay, thank you. Catches win matches. Even in the previous game in the semi-final also, Akshar Patel took a beautiful catch that made us the turnaround of this match. Even the Siraj took another brilliant catch in the quarter-final. That also really mattered for India.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Catches win matches, and that was proven right last evening as well as we saw the match. We have Narsimha also joining us from Bengaluru. A very good morning to you. Namaskara, and thank you for joining us. What was that one defining moment for you in the match yesterday?
Definitely Sky's catch, because if the ball had gone for a 6, the remaining runs would have been 10 out of 5. Probably South Africa would have won. Definitely, the defining moment is Sky's catch in the boundary.
Okay, Sky's catch in the boundary, and of course, while we bid farewell to Rohit Sharma as well as Virat Kohli, yesterday was also a very, very important day for Rahul Dravid. He is also signed off as a winning coach. Thank you so much for joining us. We have Mohit joining us from Mumbai. Mohit, what's your message?
And we bid farewell to Rohit Sharma.
Hello.
Mohit, can you hear me?
Hello.
Yes, go on. What's your message?
Yeah, my message is I feel extremely happy for Rahul Dravid primarily, and then for Rohit and for Virat for signing off from a momentous career. And Rahul never made it to the winning side ever in an ICC tournament. Feel very proud for him. Feel very happy about him. And there is, as I said before, that there is a T20. We have 50 players in India. Any of these 15 players who make a side can beat any other T20 side in the world today. So they are signing off on a high. Long live Indian cricket.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much for joining us.